This is ridiculous. We've been waiting over 2 hours. I'm starving.
I know. I can hear your tummy gurgling. For a second, I thought alien larvae might have hatched in your belly. Hello?
Your table's ready.
Finally.
Holy smokes. We'll be right there. Come on, Daphne, there's trouble.
But
Your tummy's gurgling.
What do you know? You're just a PA. Mind your own business. Oh, and get me a donut.
a donut.
Ah! The creature's back!
No, it's just my stomach. Happen to have anything to eat?
Afraid not.
Mr. Ghoul, could I ask you a favor?